How to delete or uninstall apps on Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for that, just open up your Shopify admin account, and after that you will be able to find this option of settings at the bottom left hand side corner. Just click on it, then scroll down, and over here you will find the option of apps and sales channel. Just click on it, and here you will find all the installed applications on your Shopify. Just hover around your cursor or on any of the application and you will find the option of uninstall over here. Just click on it, and after providing the reason for your uninstallation, it is optional though, you will be able to uninstall the particular application. But in case if you want to use it again, you will have to set it up again in your Shopify store. And this is how you delete or uninstall applications or apps on Shopify. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.